Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the April 2026 dollar bead box and dollar bead bag to share with y'all today. I have a coupon code for the dollar bead box. It's THJ2, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up, or $2 off of an order from their online store. But you can only have access to their online store if you're a member of the Dollar Bead Club. If you're a subscriber to the box, you're automatically a member of the Dollar Bead Club. Or you can buy an annual membership. It's $35 a year, and that would give you access to their online shop, but you wouldn't get the box or the bag. So I'm going to pop it open here and see. Well, take a little peek. The Dollar Bead bag's always on top with the beautiful fire polish beads. Oh goodness. Oh, those are so pretty. I know I say that every month, but they are. I can't help it. Fresh colors, easy vibes. April's lineup blends soft greens, breezy blues, and light earthy tones for a mix that's simple, versatile, and anything but boring. It's a fresh foundation for designs that feel relaxed but beautifully pulled together. Explore your box and let something fresh take shape. And then on the back it has everything that's in the box. Take a little peek and I'll sort everything out. All kinds of beautiful, really pretty beads in there. A whole and I'll sort everything out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now, and first I'm going to do the dollar bead bag with the fire polished beads. And there are 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads, and there are 50 beads on each strand. And I very often have to guess at these colors to decide which is which. There's a few here I'm pretty certain of, though. I think this is it says either matte vitral blue or light matte vitral blue. So I think it's one of those two. Just really pretty. And then next, I easily identified this one. It's matte bright copper. It's really pretty. And then I think this one is, it says Topaz Vintage Silver or Russet. So I think this is Topaz Vintage Silver. It's really, really pretty. And then last in the 3mm fire polish beads, it says Matte Light Peridot or Mint AB. I think, well, this is not matte, so it would have to be the Mint AB. It's really, really pretty. And then in the 4mm strands, this is Sky Blue Half Gold. It's really, really pretty. It's gorgeous. And then I believe this would be light blue half silver. It's just gorgeous. Beautiful beads. And then I think this says Southwestern Sage or Sage AB. I think that's AB, so that would probably be the Sage AB. It's really, really pretty. And then last in the 4mm strands is, I believe this would be Opaque Lime AB. Really, really pretty. And then in the dollar bead box, in the strands, there are 15 5 by 7 millimeter check glass pip beads. The color is opaque robin's egg blue with silver luster. Those are just so pretty. Little bitty pip beads. And then next is some 50 pieces, 4 millimeter check glass struck beads. The color is crystal blue. That's Lily scratching around on the back of the chair. She's trying to get herself settled. Next is 50 pieces, 4 millimeter check glass struck beads in turquoise Picasso. It's really, really pretty. Next are 10 pieces of check glass daisy beads in turquoise Picasso. They're 10 millimeters. Really pretty little daisy beads. And then next are 25 pieces of 4 millimeter check glass bicones in turquoise. Really pretty. And then last in the strands are 25 pieces of 3 by 5 millimeter check glass gem cut rondelle beads in turquoise. A lot of turquoise in this box. Really pretty. Sparkly little beads. And then next, and I forgot to get an eye pen. I have 4 pieces, 9 by 12 millimeter check glass tabular oval beads. The color is blue opal. And they have the hole in the top like that. Really, really pretty bead. And then next are 2 pieces, 9 by 19 millimeter check glass arabesque beads. The color is beige with turquoise. Really pretty. Next are 4 pieces, 8 millimeter check glass curved cube beads. These would be the ocean green opal. I think you'd either get blue opal or ocean green opal. They're really pretty. And then next are 2 pieces, 9 by 20 millimeter check glass drop beads. It says light blue with bronze. There's one of Lily's hairs in there, cat hairs in there. It says light blue with bronze or aqua with travertine. I think this would be the aqua with travertine, I guess. I'm pretty sure that's travertine on the top and the bottom of it. I really love these long drop beads to hang off the bottom of earrings. It's really pretty. And then next is a check glass table cut flower coin, 15 millimeters, and it's turquoise with travertine. It goes through there like that. Really pretty. Next are 2 pieces, 15 millimeter check glass primrose, turquoise with copper or white rainbow with blue. I think this would be the turquoise with copper. It goes through there like that. Really pretty. Next is a 16 millimeter check glass cabochon. Color is turquoise with gold. It's really pretty. Try to bezel that and make it into a pendant. Next are 2 pieces check glass melon drops. They're 8 by 13 millimeter. The color is either purple bronze luster or beige opal with turquoise. Purple bronze luster or beige opal with turquoise. I guess this is the beige opal with turquoise. Really pretty. And then next, this was supposed to be 6 pieces of check glass corrugated rondelles. They're 8 millimeters and the color is opaque beige, and I dropped 2 of them. So I'm going to have to locate the other 2 because I dropped them. There were 6 though. My nephew comes down once every 2 weeks and helps us out with things, and I have him pick up the multitude of things I drop in between times he's here. Because that's what I do. I drop everything I get my hands on. Check glass corrugated rondelles, 8 millimeter opaque beige. It's really pretty. And then next are 8 pieces check glass bellflowers. They're 8 millimeter and the color is lavender travertine. Pretty little bellflowers. And then next are 8 pieces, 5 millimeter check glass hexagon spacer beads. I think you can probably see those better if I just leave them in the tray instead of putting them on a pin. Those are really nice. The color is full coat copper. Really pretty. And then last are 4 pieces, 8 by 12 millimeter check glass faceted bicone beads. The color is opal topaz. They're really nice, really pretty. Trying to make sure I'm in focus. I can't really tell. I have lots of lights in my eyes. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll put everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the April 2026 dollar bead box and dollar bead bag, except for 2 beads that I dropped in the floor. I hope one of the cats doesn't get a hold of them and swallow them or take them off and play with them somewhere before I find them. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to the box and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you $2 off your first box. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.